Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Soratheshinysylveon here. I said my intro really fast. Do you guys like my new intro, my animation that I made? I hope you do. I hope you do.
You're at Soratheshinysylveon.
And we're here today.
Today we're gonna be playing
Pet Escape. Yep, and we got
Ryan, my cousin.
we got
Harley and Abby.
he got
And me.
excuse me.
And me.
Excuse me. I'm Sora. This is Rosy. And you're Thunder.
No, I'm
not talking
sorry.
to you.
Excuse me, I'm a lobster.
You're
Hello.
Eli.
Right here. Right here.
What's up? What's up, Espy?
Carly.
What's up, Espy? Let's get out of
I'm a lizard.
blow this
Is that
top
you,
stuff.
Ryan?
Dan.
What?
No names, please.
Wait,
please. One of the catchers left.
What? Wait, I never know I had you.
All right, guys. What's up? All right, we go. Go to the exit. Run, little lizard. Run, little.
I'm faster than you.
There's a giant purple door.
I'm ready for it.
Oh poop! I gotta knock down this door.
Me too. Me help. Oh god. I like easy. That's funny, right?
Anybody's gonna find me because I am a sneaky.
Should I change it to a bunny?
Where are you?
No, I like tingles.
Nowhere.
No, but you can't change into nothing. That's where you gotta be as. No? You can change your pet, right?
You can change it.
Found you.
Come on, guys.
Why can't I be my pet? Hey Lizzie. Let's
Hey, we got two.
Then these are the pets you can be.
I see you guys.
Hi, guys. Carly, where are you? Come on. We travel as a pack. Come on, over here to the exit that we just broke.
Wait for me.
How do you be a lizard?
Oh, poop.
Oh wait, the other one is over here.
It's the other one.
It's over here. It says exit.
Guys, I'm a lizard. We have 2 lizards in here.
Woo! I made it in.
Ryan, I see you.
Now we got 6, and now we got 7. 7.
Ryan, help me break the door
Don't
down.
jinx me. 7.
Hey,
Come on, this door.
Go.
That was broken.
Blue doors.
Oh, Xavier! Follow Xavier! He's the blue lobster! Follow him!
Oh, wait, guys, wait up. I'm coming.
Where are the blue doors? Oh, found it. Found one.
Hey! There was
already
There's one right here. This one right here. This one right here. This one.
Let's break it.
Let's break it. Come on.
I'm gonna be a duck. Okay.
Guys, hurry up. Get over here. Let's break it. There's like 5
break this
pets over
one.
here.
Where
Yeah,
are
there's
you
5 pets over
guys?
here.
Look, there's a snake helping us.
You guys, there's like 5 pets over here. 14. 4.
Go!
We got like 12.
We got a bunch of pet points.
Yeah, we got.
And there's no catcher points. Wait, are there any catchers?
Yeah, there is.
Well, there's at least one. Because yep, there's definitely one. There's definitely a catcher.
I'm just waddling. Waddle.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sneaky.
I'm
I'm so sneaky. I'm so sneaky. I'm so sneaky. I'm so sneaky. I'm so sneaky.
Go!
I'm a play.
Go ahead.
I'm doing this. Out the store.
Run! Yes, I'm running.
Show.
Don't mind her sister. Just don't mind her. Don't mind.
I gotta get to the exit number 2. I'm rhyming.
Wanna play what?
I gotta get to the exit.
Oh, what?
Come on!
Wanna play
Now,
with it?
guys!
Okay.
3, 2, 1!
Pets win!
Most escape! Soratheshinysylveon!
Oh yeah!
You were stuck in the
I get to
wall.
open a cage. 50.
Open.
Open.
Oh, look.
What did I get? I got a green lobster.
Alright. Ooh,
We're
nice.
the same. It looks like we're the same, except I'm a snake.
Saber, I got a green
We're the albinos.
I'm a green scorpion.
We're the
Hey,
albinos.
come here, babe.
What?
We're at the entrance.
Your
Hey,
turn.
look.
Let me see if I can
Look,
afford
you see
anything.
me? Look, Abby, you see me? I'm
Let me
the
see
snake
if I
right
can.
here.
Nope. I'm poor. I'm a mouse.
Hey, do you see?
Or I'm poor.
Hey, do you see me?
I'm poking this black mouse. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, you
I'm
changed it.
averted. What do you mean? Okay, Carly's
I'm gonna stab you with
Carly's
this stinger.
it.
I'm gonna sting you.
Soratheshinysylveon's it.
I'm gonna sting you. I'm gonna sting you.
Is that you?
We're playing tag. This is me. I'm the white
We're playing
spirit.
tag.
Somebody got a red duck.
What?
Somebody got a red
That's
duck.
a thing? Was that a thing?
It's a blood duck.
A blood duck.
A blood. I got a.
Ooh.
Wait, is this a jungle scorpion?
Is it?
Let me see. Cause I have a green spider too.
I found you. Oh, no! No! I got caught in the cage. How?
Oh, yeah, it's a jungle scorpion. It's a jungle scorpion. I was right.
Whoever this is this somebody? Oh, poop.
Poke.
Oh, there's already one catcher point. Why, Xavier? I mean,
got caught.
Thunder. Thunder!
What's mine?
Yours is Echo.
Echo.
You're Echo.
Cool. I'm Echo.
They told me break this.
What do you mean?
Faith doesn't exit in the house. And I'm trying to break it
Slow.
open.
Come on. Oh,
I'm gonna
poop.
catch you, pets. I'm a catcher.
Run! Go up! Go!
I'm in a building
Run!
right now.
Run! Book it!
Carly, look where I am. Wow. I'm on top.
Lizard. Come here, lizard. Come here.
Now's my chance.
Abby! I can see it. Is that you? I'm
Right here,
blending.
look. Do you see me? I'm jumping.
Go!
No. I made it!
No. I'm not making it. I don't think I'll make it.
Whoa. Alright. Come on.
Poke with my stinger.
I don't think I'll make it.
Why you kill me?
Come on, this way.
David?
This way.
Yes.
This way.
Yes.
This way.
Hey, do you see me? Do you see me? I'm a snake.
Purple doors are opening. Where's the purple door? Purple
You see
door.
me? I'm not in there anymore.
Ah! Run! There's a purple exit. There's an exit.
Okay, stop screaming.
No!
Juked Abby.
There's an exit. Made it!
It's stupid. Where are you? Are you jumping? She's coming.
Don't do this to me! I just heard a lot of yells. A lot of
I'm
yells.
going into the door.
How is there two killers?
It's not killers, they're catchers. I know they sound the same, but they're not the same.
Points.
Oh, man.
We got
Oh,
8
man.
and you guys got
Don't worry, boy. Whoever you are, whoever this is, I don't know who you are, but I'll help you break open this.
I'm opening a door.
Catch him!
Those
Oh,
are 7 catcher points.
Are you kidding me? I'm sorry. I was caught.
no. Carly! Shiny Sylveon.
I'm Sora. Get that right.
My name is Lightning.
Thunder, lightning, same thing.
Thunder.
Carly, get you! I see catchers. They're blocking the exit.
I know.
We win.
Let's win again.
Oh man, I didn't get the most catches. Oh, you get the most catches, Sleepy and Rosie.
I got the most gifts. You guys cannot
Oh
tag me. Carly's it. She cannot tag us.
yeah. I can't. Why
I'm
can't
gonna
I
sting
tag
you, Abby. No! Sting out of my stinger.
Ha! I can't get up. Here, okay, forget that. Forget you.
I'm gonna
Door.
sting you.
What are you, Faith?
Tag. Tag Thunder's it.
Tag.
Oh poop. Tag Thunder's it.
No, that's not fair. Yeah.
Thunder's it.
Tag.
I'm not it.
Who's that?
Soratheshinysylveon.
Sha. Tag. Who's that? No, wait, that's nobody. Poop. I just tagged
Don't
somebody
go on the grass
random.
one. Do not go on the grass one.
What rank are you guys?
You can't get me out.
I'm rank 3.
I'm just taking you Sting. Don't. Sting. I sting
when you're in a
stung you.
No, you can
We're starting.
Who's the catchers?
I'm a catcher.
Oh no. Why? Oh, I'm a catcher.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
He not here playing. Hey, who's that? Uh-oh. I can see 2 people. I can see a pet. Get it. I get her.
Come here.
Sit. Lizard.
I like doing this.
Come on, duck. It's a duck. Na.
Come on, just don't. All right, I'm off. I don't care about those pets.
Yes.
That just sounded really creepy. Wait, come here, you pet.
No. Get away. Get away. No.
I got one.
I got one too. I'm kissing the mouse's butt.
You're kissing a mouse's butt?
Why,
You're so
Oh, there it is again.
weird.
Wait, babe, help me!
Come here.
Hear it?
Come here, ferret. Come here,
lizard.
you lizard. Come here.
I'm right here! Wait, there's no pet points. Run! Go! Yes!
You blue iguana. Wait, you're not an iguana. You're a scorpion. Why did I call you an iguana?
I got a red duck. Let me just walk away from the lizard. And walk away.
I think we're gonna win.
Who is this? Somebody's walking
This is like
away.
impossible to catch you. All right, I forgot you.
Got you. Got you.
Look at us. We're like super LP.
3 pet points. 3 pet points.
No.
There's only one.
There's only one pet point.
Okay.
No.
We need to find. We need to find
No.
someone.
No, stay there, you little ferret.
Wait, I see another
Stay.
monster.
Stay.
Did you get him? Hey, babe,
Nope.
I'm right here,
I didn't get him. Sorry, boy.
I found the red. Who is that?
Boom! Mouse! I mean, not a gecko thing.
Huh? Bobby. Why are you moving your legs?
These
There we go.
guys are.
Run! He's trying to get me. Wait, what? No! He got me.
Yeah!
She? You mean by she?
I got you.
Bye.
We're the little pets. We're the little
I
pets.
can see you. Right here. Is that you? I'm following you. I'm going in the entrance.
Come here, you little
That's
pets.
the exit.
Come here, you pet.
She's coming! I found a ferret!
Come here.
Did somebody get catch?
Uh-oh.
No! Oh,
I got him.
No, I'm trapped! Juke! Oh, come on.
Woo! We're gonna win. We're gonna win, Thunder. Thunder, we're gonna win.
Yeah, we're gonna win.
Whoa! 3, 2, 1.
0! Yeah! End!
Oh yeah, we win. It's
Yeah, I got the most catches!
Good job, boy. Good job.
And I could open a crate
job,
too.
buddy. Wow, we got a lot of food for that.
I know, I opened a crate. Oh, I got the charcoal ferret.
The charcoal?
Can I see? Let me see.
Whoa, you're black.
Let me see. I'm over here. I'm over here. Do you see me jumping? I got the charcoal ferret.
Charcoal.
Zebra, someone
Coal.
stole your skin. Charcoal. Zebra.
Your fur is on your.
Skin. I know.
yeah, yes, you can.
I'm gonna be like Carter. I'm gonna be white with blue eyes.
White and blue eyes.
Except you're a snake. Carly is and I'm a
Do
snake.
do do. Look deep into your animal's eyes. Ba, ba, ba.
No, I'm not a stingray. I'm a
A stingray? What's a stingray?
I'm
I don't think they're gonna be a stingray. Oh my gosh, look at this mouse.
I'm biting you.
The first mouse to be on the moon.
No, why is everyone saying who is Eli?
What?
Everyone's gonna say who's Eli.
And that's me.
Yeah. We're just gonna name him Eli.
Yeah, that's your name. That's your name. That's your name.
died!
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, Abby.
They all your.
Look at what I said.
And
What did you say?
she's trying to.
It was quoted out. Wait, oh my gosh. I'm in a trash can. That's how I feel. I am trash. Get in the trash can. My white butt.
I'm gonna grab this mouse that's on the moon, then go down to
My white butt is sticking out of the trash can.
Guys, I'm gonna catch you. I'm a catcher. Did I get it? Cause you know why? I'm right next to you.
Go! Book it!
I
I
made it. I'm going to the purple exit.
I didn't make it. Like make it.
I made it.
But I made it.
I made it into the exit.
No, don't.
Well, yeah. Pet points. You got 1 pet point, 2 catcher points, and we catcher points.
Hi, ferret. You're gonna die.
Ooh, look at these.
I'm the only one who got a pet point.
Here, guys. I help you.
I help you.
Oh my God! There's a ferret with horns.
Wait, you could go through any other exits?
Yeah, any exits that are open. No. That was a lie.
You went to a red one.
Yeah, but it counted as a purple one apparently.
Oh, I found someone. I think that's Eli. Oh gosh. Oh, there's a picture.
That's me.
Bye-bye. No. Yes, I drew his face.
Don't be caught.
No, I got good.
Bye, Echo.
Come on. Oh, I found. Oh my God! Look how creepy the skin is. Look.
What is that?
Mouse on the moon.
Hey guys, who wants to know where I'm at?
I don't want to know where you're at.
I see where everyone's at.
For what? Practice for what? What practice?
Oh man.
What practice, Mom?
Oh man.
I don't have to go, Mom. No, I don't.
Who's this white ferret?
Is it white with blue eyes?
I found Ryan. You see me, Ryan?
Oh, it has horns.
It has.
Yeah, you just went right past
It has.
me. You see me? I'm jumping. I need you to try to catch me, and you cannot.
And now we go.
I'm a snake. I'm the snake.
All right.
I'm not gonna catch you guys. I'm gonna leave the game.
Well.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Bye guys. 8, 7.
The video's over.
The video's gonna be over. Well, bye guys. Thanks for tuning in to this video.
And we win.
We won.
We win. And bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. We love you. See you in the next video.
Bye.